This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. Welcome home. This picture-perfect house comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage and has been completely updated. This home has a great floor plan. You will love the kitchen with solid wood cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and a breakfast nook. On the first floor you will find 2 bedrooms, living room area, kitchen and an updated guest bath with tile and amp, laminate flooring. The spacious master bedroom on the second floor offers a huge walk-in closet. Hurricane-graded garage door. Metal roof. Air conditioner from 2013. The interior and exterior has been freshly painted. There are 2 screened lanai areas for you to enjoy our Southwest Florida weather. Large backyard with plenty of room for a pool. The San Carlos Park and community pool are just a short walk away. This is a move-in ready home. Great location just minutes to FGCU, Gulf Coast Town Center, Miromar Outlets, RSW Airport, supermarket, dining, and beaches. No HOA fees here. If you've been thinking about a move to Southwest Florida, this home is the reason to make your dream a reality. Schedule your showing today. Agents, please see remarks for more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-443-3204.